Some of the athletes there will be there for the London Marathon in April. They are also warming up, especially as they wait for that coming up in the month of April. Now, there has been Kenya Cup, that is in rugby, but now there's a new Kenya Cup in volleyball. Kenya Volleyball Federation has unveiled the first edition of the Kenya Cup Volleyball Tournament, an initiative aimed at nurturing talents and elevating the game of volleyball in Kenya. The competition is expected to serve off in February and will feature 17 teams, both men and women, who will battle it out for the top prizes later on. On
behalf of the Kenya Volleyball Federation National Executive Committee and the entire volleyball family, we are very happy to introduce this very, very innovative tournament, the Kenya Cup. It's the first time that we are playing it. We wanted something that will be different from the traditional league and the tournament circuits that we've been having. We got to think outside the box, something that will have a different outlook, and also at the same time, we wanted a product that will keep the teams busy, teams and players busy, also even during the off-season. So we have launched it today at the KCB Sports Club. We are very, very grateful to our sponsors.
Sentiments there from the president of the Kenya Volleyball Federation there, Mr. Nyaberi, leaves me wondering if the federation has been